Hello everybody, this is JT's Unboxings here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this TAS40 T40 coffee machine. I can't say any more else about it. Obviously it's a TAS40 T40. I went for the T40 because it looks more better than the newer ones today. They look like plastic and they all look like plastic, but looks better anyway. The mould looks better. That's why I got this coffee machine. But let's quickly get into this and see what we get inside. So, let's see. Okay, the first thing I'm greeted with, for you TAS40. Basically, don't know anything about languages and coffees and all that, probably something to do with coffees. Next thing I'm greeted with is the Bosch T40. I think this is the instruction manual, if I recall. It's a manual in 2 languages, I think. What's this? T40 TAS40 XX. More instructions on the screen if I know what it is. Take this foam off. This is the coffee machine inside. Like so. And there's nothing else in the box. Taking the cover off, now you can see it's more like a TAS40. This is connected to the nozzle. Obviously take it off gentle. It basically says like how to change the tank, put the water in the tank, and how to service and where your service T-disc is and such. Put this nozzle back. Obviously on the front we've got our light display. The reason why I got this one is because it looks so much better than the new models, but some people will disagree. Obviously this is where your tank is, plus the tank looks bigger I think than this one, than the newer ones today. As you can see, that's your tank. And another thing I like about this is it's not like the new ones where you have to take the tank out and refill it. You can just easily fill it on the top with a jug. That's one advantage I like about this. Obviously you don't get filters. If we take this off, you see that we've got our service T-disc and how-to instructions on how to clean this thing out. Obviously I'm going to keep that T-disc to one side for a rainy day, for when it needs to be cleaned. Slot it on top like that, and you're done. Obviously so you can make, smaller drinks. Or you can just remove it entirely and use it for bigger cups. Obviously your T-discs go in here. And such and so forth. So before I go, let's plug it in. The power cord itself is not long, but if you have an adapter anyway, or if you're near a socket, I don't think it would matter. But let's plug it in anyway. Let's see what we get. Switch it on. Indicator. So I'm going to fill it with water very quickly. Obviously you can pull it out or put a jug of water in it. Alright, put it to the fill line. Let's put this back on. Now it's more heavier and more easy to work with. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a service T-disc in quick and see if we've got any life from it. Obviously, you put the service T-disc in, make sure the barcode's in. There we are. Alright, you have to give it a good push. So, yeah. Yeah, that's good. And the cup. And now it's cleaning it out, as you can tell. This is not the permanent place. I'm going to hopefully put it in that corner when it's finished, but it seems to be working. This one doesn't come with the filter, but that's okay. So we aim to get bottled water or another filtering way, filtering way, you know what I mean, like another way of filtering water. So as you can see, I'm supposed to do this a couple of times, so we'll wait for it to finish. Again. This is basically to pump out the pipes. They say to do this before you start making drinks with this. It's a good effect, I think. Okay, one more time. I can still smell its newness, if that makes any sense. But anyway, I would like to say thank you very much for watching. This has been just an unboxing and a little preview of what it does, and I'm very happy with it. It's the best purchase I think I've ever made so far, but who knows. If you want my full review, there will be a review link below, and also if you go to my other channel, JJ's Free Time, there will be a JJ's Free Time series over it of me trying out other coffees on it. At the moment, I haven't got any TAS40 T-discs to work from, but you know, there you go, very simply. So I will be soon getting some T-discs on the way, and hopefully I'll be able to try out a range of drinks. I might even buy some today anyway. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys, and if there's any questions or comments, please tell me below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can, as soon as I can be asked to log back into my account. Thank you. Cheers.